Understanding rice mill. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, rice mill. Whether you're a food lover, a curious linguist, or simply keen on expanding your vocabulary, understanding the concept behind this term is both fun and essential. Let's get started. Rice and mill are two separate words. Let's briefly explore each of them. Rice, a staple food for a large part of the world's population, especially in Asia. It's a grain that can be white, brown, or even black, and it's commonly cooked and eaten as part of a meal. Mill, a building or set of machines used to produce or process raw materials into finished products. When we think of a mill, it's often about grinding something. When we combine the two words, rice mill implies a place or machinery where rice is processed. A rice mill is a facility where raw, harvested rice undergoes a process to be cleaned, dehusked, and sometimes polished. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Cleaning. The harvested rice contains impurities like dust and stones. The first step is to remove these unwanted materials. 2. Dehusking or hulling. Rice grains are covered with a hard protective layer called the husk. In the mill, this husk is removed using special machinery. 3. Polishing. Optional. After dehusking, some mills polish the rice to give it a shiny and appealing look. This process removes the bran layer, turning brown rice into white rice. Why do we need rice mills? Safety and purity. Rice mills ensure that what we eat is free from impurities. Variety. Thanks to rice mills, we have options like brown rice and white rice. Economic importance. Rice mills contribute to the economy. They create jobs and ensure that the supply of rice meets the demand. So there we have it. A rice mill is not just a place where rice gets its final look but also an essential part of our food industry. The next time you cook or eat rice, remember the journey it took from the fields to your plate. We hope you found this video enlightening. And as always, keep exploring and learning.